Snowflake's Secret Journey, a heartwarming winter adventure, narrated by Kitty Story Sprouts. In a cozy little town nestled among snow-covered mountains, there lived a dog named Rocky. Rocky had a special bond with winter. He loved everything about it, but what fascinated him the most were snowflakes. One chilly morning, as Rocky gazed out of his frosty window, he noticed something extraordinary. A tiny, shimmering snowflake with a sparkling personality had landed on her windowsill. It twinkled at him as if it was inviting him on adventure. The snowflake in a soft, tinkling voice. "Hello, Rocky. I have a secret to share, but only if you promise to keep it." Rocky wide-eyed and intrigued. "Of course, little snowflake. What's your secret?" The little snowflake introduced itself as Sparkle and began to tell Rocky its remarkable story. Sparkle whispering, "I'm not just an ordinary snowflake, Rocky. I'm on a mission from the Snowflake Queen. She needs me to find the lost Snowflake Heart, which keeps winter's magic alive." Rocky, excited, said, "That sounds incredible, Sparkle. How can I help?" Sparkle, smiling, said, "You must come with me on this journey. We'll follow the path of the north wind to the Snowflake Palace and seek the Snowflake Queen's guidance." Without hesitation, Rocky agreed, and they both embarked on a remarkable adventure. Their journey took them through a frosty forest, where they encountered talking animals who offered advice and encouragement. They crossed frozen streams on ice bridges and braved icy winds as they followed the north wind's trail. Finally, after many snowy miles, they arrived at the Snowflake Palace, a breathtaking palace made entirely of ice and adorned with glistening snowflakes. The Snowflake Queen majestically welcomed them. "Dear travelers, I've been expecting you." Rocky said, "Your Majesty, Sparkle has told me about the Snowflake Heart. How can we find it?" The Snowflake Queen exclaimed, "The Snowflake Heart is hidden deep within the crystal caverns. Only those with a pure heart can enter. Are you willing to try?" Rocky nodded bravely, and the Snowflake Queen granted them entry into the crystal caverns. Inside, they encountered dazzling crystal formations and intricate ice sculptures. At the heart of the caverns, they found the Snowflake Heart, a radiant, glowing crystal that pulsed with the essence of winter's magic. "Sparkle is joyful. We found it, Rocky. The Snowflake Heart?" As Rocky touched the Snowflake Heart, a rush of warmth and love filled his heart. They had successfully completed their mission. The Snowflake Queen is grateful. You've brought back the Snowflake Heart, and for that, you've earned a special gift, Rocky. Rocky seen with teary eyes. "Thank you, Your Majesty, for this incredible adventure." As Rocky and Sparkle returned home, he knew that winter's magic was not only found in snowflakes, but in the kindness, courage, and love that warmed his heart. From that day on, every snowfall held a little extra wonder and enchantment for Rocky, who treasured the secret journey he had shared with a special snowflake named Sparkle. Moral of the story is that the true magic of wintertime lies not only in the beauty of snowflakes, but in the kindness, courage, and love that fill our hearts. Embracing unexpected adventures and cherishing extraordinary moments enriches our lives and allows us to appreciate the wonder that surrounds us.